在灿烂的季节，缤纷落在你窗前，朵朵代表我的思念，清晨奉献。
雪花飘在圣洁的冬天，冉冉飞向我心田，偏偏站在你的誓言，尽量诚实，万劫不变。
樱花之雪降临的那天，我与你再度相见。
樱花之雪纷飞的那一天，心中的梦就要实现。
雪白的梦，余欢光明彩蝶，我的心与你一同翩翩起飞，曼妙的花临风起舞，揭开美丽的序幕。
The flowers blossom when spring is near. The wind brings petals to your side, and each one by your side is from my soul. It's all of me.
Snowflakes dancing when the winter starts, falling gently on my heart, and all the love you gave to me remains, never changed, never growing.
Flowing rivers join in the ocean, and so we'll meet again. Flowing through us, time is the road that leads to the faded day of our dreams. White as the snow, purifying light of grace, makes my heart know what it means to be. Bright as the sun, soft as the wind, it turns pages of my life.
White as the snow,
Purifying light of grace,
makes my heart know what it means to be. Bright as the sun, soft as the wind, it turns pages of my life
like flowers in bloom.
Flowing rivers
Join in the ocean far and wide,
and so